What is good? JDM Jamzter Sqauders, and for all my new viewers that's watching this video right now, go ahead, that subscribe button, like button, comment, share. You already know the vibes, and let's get it. So we're back again with another sponsor video, bro. Let's go! And I shit you not, that's back to back. Let's give a round of applause for all you guys out there. You know what? Give myself a pat on the back for not stopping the grind, by the way. But thank you guys so much once again for all my supporters, followers, bro. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. Yes, another sponsor. Let's get it. By the way, before we get started, if you guys haven't watched my last video, go ahead and check that out. It's a sponsored video by Shine Armor. They have amazing products there going on, cleaning products for your vehicles. If you wanted, if you love cleaning your cars, detailing, and etc., go ahead and use my discount code Jamzter20. I'm gonna put it right here, also in the link below. But anyways, let's not get distracted. But let's get started. And this was actually crazy. It was like right after that Shine Armor video, I got them to hit me up, which is crazy. Shocking, and they sent me a product to test out, and I'm going to be here to show you guys this, by the way. So yeah, it's going to be a review video, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, so let's go and test this bad boy out. We got the trusty bladey blade, and yeah, go ahead and open this thing up.
А почему Кьюпер?
Alright guys, so I got these products right here. These are by Auxito LED, auxito.com. So these are some interior products. This is like to make your car look more modern day with a taste of spaz or wazow, you know. I did get two of them. This one's a red one and then a blue one. I decided to use the blue one because the blue one looks better inside, and man, you can see it. And yeah, man, it was pretty quick install, and I'll show you guys how. But let me show you guys right now. And honestly, this thing looks crazy. Looking pretty modern here. I'm not done yet, but bro, it was really simple. I'm not done. I gotta clean this up a little bit. I'm gonna make it, a little bit flusher. And bro, this thing looks so beautiful. Wow. All right, so now enough with that. Now I'm basically gonna show you guys how this is done. It's not too hard. It's not gonna be this long video, right? So you have this right here, right? All right, so this is basically an LED strip, right? And this would be the power source. All right, it has this connection here, and you would plug this connection into the other one, right? So you would get this. Make it simple. See how this is running? You put it anywhere, but you just got to make sure you have the power source connected. So it's technically a car plug-in, and that's what this head is for. I definitely would prefer this for like a newer modern car that has two car inputs. I have two of them, luckily, so I have put mine in the like center console, which is right here, my center console, so I could use that as my disposal, and my charging one is right in my armrest. So it's easy. So you have these little slips, right, and they're gonna go into the crevices anywhere you want to put it. You can put it into your side, your door panel, or your dash. I chose the dash. It's easier. I'm pretty sure 9 out of 10 you guys are going to try to do the dash, and I would recommend it for sure. And then these, right, this would literally just push it. And so for example, right, I'm not going to show with this red one. I might as well just pull these out. So see how you see the LED strip, right? Grab this tab. There's obviously this end of it, and it pulls off. So basically, that's what I did. Basically, I just pushed it in, just like that, right? Nice and deep and snug, and it won't come off. Push it nice in there, deep, deep, deep. You see that? Boom, right around the cuts, the dash, like that. Nice and clean. And boom. Just like that. And then the rest here, personally, I'm gonna run it through, and then I'm gonna put it right under and have it go through the glove compartment. And yeah, it's plugged up right here. Clean this up. This is just extra wire. I'm gonna hide it behind like my plastic right here. And yeah, that's really it. So yeah, let's go ahead and knock this out and I'll show you guys the final finish. All right, guys, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. Simple as 1, 2, 3, plug and play. And yeah, man, looks pretty good. Lined up, have it going through the glove compartment. Yeah, nice clean effect. All right, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I appreciate Auxito for hitting me up to do this review video. It was pretty cool. And you know, it looks more modern. It's dope. It looks really dope, honestly. And thank goodness you guys gave me 2. So I'll be definitely installing it on my Lexus next. So go ahead, guys. I'm gonna put my promo code right here, Jamzter20. With that promo code, you can also use that for any discount on any purchase that you use on Auxito.com. Also do the same thing for Shine Armor, Jamzter20, same thing. Place it right here. It's gonna be the same thing right here. I'll put everything in the link below for Auxito.com. And yeah, man, go ahead and shop. Use that discount, Jamzter20, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and go ahead and that like button, subscribe button, comment, and share. Yes, sir. We out. Get in, Sqauders. Let's get it. Dude.